Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your rollover IRA on iTrustCapital, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your rollover IRA on iTrustCapital, first, log into your iTrustCapital account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Accounts to view your current IRA details. Select the rollover IRA you wish to update. In the Account Overview, locate the Update Account button. Click the Update Account button to start the process. You will now see options to modify your account information. Review the current details and make any necessary changes. If you need to change your contribution preferences, find the relevant section. Input the new contribution amounts and frequency as needed. Next, update your investment preferences if desired. Select the assets or cryptocurrencies you wish to include in your portfolio. After making your selections, ensure all information is accurate. Once you're confident with your updates, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Locate the Save Changes button and click it. A confirmation message will appear once your updates are successfully saved. Review this confirmation to ensure everything was processed correctly. Finally, log out of your account for security reasons after completing your updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.